Hey guys, how you doing? This is Chad here with Limitless Realty Group. I'm over here by New Braunfels, Texas, one of the fastest growing markets right now in southern Texas. You've got San Marcos right up the street. You've got like Austin, Texas is nearby. Check out this beautiful renovated home they've been working on. In fact, this was built in 1957. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. It's going for $650,000 over here. We're just doing a quick tour of the different price points on different sides of San Antonio. And this is one of the nicest homes we could find right now that's available. Everything's going so fast, but check it out. It's so beautiful. She did a great job. So the original owner that renovated this, she did not do this as a flip. She did this as something she wanted to live in and enjoy herself for several years to come. And you can see the detail that she put into this is incredible. And it is absolutely worth every penny of what they're asking in terms of the modern amenities, the wood that she's beautifully complemented throughout the house, as you can see as I walk by there. So let's walk inside real quick and check this out. It's beautiful kitchen, the way it's laid out, opens up. I believe this is quartz, yeah. It's very nice as far as like solid, everything is, you know, like the refrigerator blends in with the cabinetry. So very unique, obviously, the way that the murals and everything that she painted. The interior designer that renovated this house, as you can tell, spent so much time thinking about the meticulous details. Check out this one-of-a-kind green fireplace. Isn't that cool? Just sitting there sipping on your coffee, hot chocolate, your light fixtures, and the way that the concrete blends with the wood. Isn't that cool? It's beautiful. So she spent a lot of time, like I said. Check out that agave plant on the wall. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Just chill. Oh look, you can even put your kids can sleep over here. A little sleepover, a little loft up there. So she thought about everything. And that's what it's about, you know. That's why this house is so meticulous. Check out this bathroom. Unique tiles. You got the octagon. So the geometric shapes that she mixed in here with this wood and the way she cut it out to match the frame. It's brilliant. And then you got the easel here. We didn't even turn on the light in here. Where's the light? Aha. Now you get to see this with, wow, that's cool, huh? Something so simple can go a long way, especially in these contemporary homes. Let's go check out the backyard. What do you guys think? Let's go check that out real quick. So that's where she had 2 patios built out to entertain. I'm sure many glasses of wine and relaxing evenings happened out here. This could be part of your journey. Wow. Look at the effort. Look at the energy in here. This is wonderful. It's almost kind of just relaxing, kind of mellow, zen feeling, you know. The black rocks that she put in around, right? The energy absorbers in a good way, taking the negativity out of your life, right? So yeah, come and relax here. Check this place out. Like I said, New Braunfels, Texas. We're gonna be here all year. It's time for your year to make a move. So whenever you're ready, let us know. All right, guys, that's it. This is a wrap. So that's our first video of many to come here in San Antonio, New Braunfels area. Get ready for our brand new YouTube channel. Please subscribe below. Check us out.